Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll take a look at how to get started with Python by first downloading Python. So just go to the Python website and I'm going to choose Python 2.7.8 release. And if you scroll down, I'm going to try and install this on Windows. So I'm going to click on the Windows x86-64 MSI installer. Now, if you have a 64-bit computer, then you should choose the one that says 64. That's usually the case with most computers today, but if you have a 32-bit, then you can choose the this one here. And so if you click on this, you can download this and save it and double click on it to install it. So just double click on this downloaded file and it'll ask you to run. So go ahead and click and run. You need to have administrator privileges to be able to do this. That means you need to have permissions on your computer. If you don't, then you should request your system administrator to install this for you. Now that you've installed Python, you can bring up the integrated development environment, or IDLE or idle. And to do that, you just click on the start button here. And in this box, just type in IDLE and it'll bring up the Python idle GUI. Click on that. So here's the IDLE or idle for Python, the integrated development environment. And you see here a prompt. This prompt is the place where you can type in commands and Python will execute those commands for you. So for example, you can type in say 1 + 1 and it'll give you 2. So you can do 5 × 3 and it should give you 15. And you should be able to do 100 divided by 20. I should give you 5, and so 45 minus 20, and so you can do all these arithmetic operations. You can print any text you want. So for example, we'll print the classic hello world and press enter and it'll print the text hello world. Now print here is a function in Python, so it'll do whatever you tell it to. In this case, print the string here. Python recognizes decimal values. So for example, you could do 3.31 × 9 and you could get something like this. You can have variables. You can define variables, and let's say you can define a variable called a and you can assign that a value, some number, and then if you type in a, it'll give you that number. Or you can have that same variable take the value of a string, and if you now type in a, you'll get back the string, in this case the name of a person. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.